Hello guys, welcome back to Constram. So today we are going to look at raster mosaicing in ArcGIS. So on my canvas you can see I have two TIFF files. These are raster files with the extension .tiff. So you can see I have these are two, and I want to mosaic so that I can have one. So the final output should be something like this, but should be a single file. So to do that, we are going to utilize this raster mosaic to new raster. It is in the so to find this, you can come to data management tools. Under raster, you can go to raster dataset, and under raster dataset you can see mosaic to new raster. So you can double click on that, and the input rasters are the two rasters, that and this one. So if you have more raster datasets, you can always add them here. So the output location, you will select your folder destination, and then you will add a name here. So before I add these, I wanted to show you two very important fields that we need to confirm first from the images or from the raster datasets before we proceed to do the mosaicing. So the first one is the pixel type, and these can be found in the source information of the image, and the other one is the number of bands. So basically, when we are doing mosaicing, these TIFF files probably have to share the same number of bands, they have to share the pixel types, and for that, before we proceed, we'd like to inquire what the pixel type is for these two images, same as the number of bands. So let's close this for a minute. And I'm just going to right click on one of these and opening the properties. So under the property, you can see we have the number of bands, and this is the value that you are going to input in that field. So if your TIFF file has maybe 2-3 bands, that's the value you will input. So for the pixel type, you can see we have it's an unassigned integer, but we can use the pixel depth, which is 8 bits. So this is what you're going to use in the pixel type field. So if we confirm with the other image, I believe they should be the same. And that's the case. We have the number of bands, that is 1, and the pixel depth to be 8 bits. So that said, we can now utilize the mosaic to new raster. So the input raster, we will input the two rasters. So I'm just going to select both of them. And then I'm going to output the output location. This I will select the folder, and I'm just going to maybe go back and select that. And then once I've selected that folder, I will add the name of the raster, which in this case I will name it mosaic.tiff. So you have to add the extension. So I can say mosaic.tiff. So you can name it as you'd like. So I'll leave the special reference optional, and then you see it has already assigned itself 8-bit unsigned. So I can leave it like that. I will assign the number of bands to be 1. This is very important. If you forget this, you will not be able to press OK to run. So that said, you can leave the other fields as optional and press run. So when it's done, it should display now one raster dataset that will be merged from these two. So let's give it a second to run. And once it's done, you can check it out. So you can see the mosaic is done. So if I turn off this, you can now see I have one single layer of my raster. So if I turn it off, you can see now the difference between these and the mosaic. So basically, these are your mosaic raster images, raster datasets within the ArcGIS environment. But if you have other remote sensing softwares like NV, ArcGIS, you can also try it there. I'll definitely do a video in ArcGIS sometime in the future. So try it out, guys, and let me know how it goes. Thank you for staying with me. Subscribe, like this channel, and share our video. And have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you, guys.